Good morning, good morning, good morning, good
morning, good morning, good morning.
and thank you for watching. I thought I was taping, so I'm going to have to backtrack and tell you what I did. I took an old t-shirt or an old t-shirt dress and I cut straight across so I ended up with two pieces of material. When I measured this material, it's about 2 feet. I also cut some small strips from the t-shirt. And here's one of those strips. I pulled it, stretched it. I may need to make this a little bit thicker, so you'll see me cut that. So I'm going to cut my strips now for my ties for my face mask. And I'm a bit frustrated right now because I thought I was taping when I was cutting all the other pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this. And now I'm going to cut the 2 seams, and I did the same thing with the other part, face mask. And then I'm going to stretch it. I'm going to move this out of the way. Take one of the pieces. And today, it does not matter which side is inside or out. But I do have that little curve like that I cut. I'm going to measure this and tell you I'm looking for at least 11.5 inches. So I'm going to slide this side over a little and this side over a little. And I got it. I'm going to take one of these strips . I'm going to do it like halfway. There. I'm going to take this, I think it's called a sticky hem or something, but not positive of what it's called. I'm going to put it there, right in the middle. And there it moved from where I put it. shows how easy it is just to pop off a piece of that. Guys, I'm gonna let it stay at about 11 inches. And I'm not gonna worry about it. Take your iron and go across it. And that is, they're together. This is together. And I can drag this down. And I can drag this down. Alright guys, now we're going to try it on, okay? I'm going to let you see me with this on. And I may have to make a few adjustments or none at all. Hey girl, what are you doing? We have to go out to Walmart. We have not purchased any mask. So I can do this. Pull it. I just have to tie it behind my head. I think I did pretty good. Tell me what you think. Yeah, I'm going to share this with you. Tell me what you think. Have a good day. I'm making face mask. Personal face mask. Thank you. Guys, I decided to do a little bit more tweaking to it. I tied the sides. I folded in the upper part, and I'm going to slide a piece of this in here. I want it to look a little bit more polished. I did not iron this one down good. So I've made 2 of these. 1, 2. 1 for me and 1 for my granddaughter. Yes, we must go out today, so we must wear a mask. And this is it. I hope you can visualize it, but
Yes.
I did it.